Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, June 17th. The essay from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo that I'm going to read for you today is titled Against Our Will. As always, after the reading, we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it. As an inlet cannot close itself to the sea that shapes it, the heart can only wear itself open. One of the hardest blessings to accept about the heart is that in the image of life itself, it will not stop emerging through experience. No matter how we try to preserve or relive what has already happened, the heart will not stop being shaped. And this is a magnificent key to health, that despite our resistance to accept that what we have lost is behind us, despite our need at times to stitch our wounds closed by reliving them, and despite our heroic efforts to preserve whatever is precious, despite our all attempts to stop the flow of life, the heart knows better. It knows that the only way to truly remember and to stay whole is to take the best and worst into its tissue. Despite all our intentions not to be hurt again, the heart keeps us going by moving us ever forward into health. Though we walk around thinking we can direct it, our heart is endlessly shaped, like the land, and often against our will. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keep your breath nice and soft, natural. Remember, there is nothing you need to fix about your breathing. Just like there is nothing you need to fix about yourself. This breath is enough. You are enough. This moment is enough. Notice if this gives you a sense of spaciousness and freedom in your whole being, and allow the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now bring to mind one precious moment that you would like to preserve. What is it? How does it feel? Immerse yourself fully into this moment, into the felt sense of it. As you continue breathing, now let in the life that is presently around you, the quality of light, the temperature, the sounds coming and going. Breathing easily in and out. Try not to choose one experience over the other. Simply allow the precious memory and the precious present moment to tenderly become one. This task is not for the thinking mind. You cannot logic your way through it. It's a feeling inquiry. So open your heart gently and notice how it feels to hold both experiences at once. What do you notice? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I allow my heart to take the best and worst into its tissue. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. How can you be open to everything that life has in stock for you? Remembering that the heart will never stop being shaped through experience, even if it's against our will. Enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.